Brake fluid is vital to the operation of your vehicle's hydraulic braking system. If the level gets too low, air can get in, causing a spongy brake pedal and loss of braking power. Even if the master cylinder reservoir is full, the fluid should be changed every couple of years because brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which can cause rust and corrosion internally. Normally, to check or top off the fluid, all you need is brake fluid and a clean rag. When the time does come to change the fluid, you'll need a few small wrenches and a one-man brake bleeder kit, or help from a friend. But it's easy once Haynes shows you how. Hi, this is Mark, your Haynes technician. The brake fluid reservoir is located at the back of the engine bay and on most modern vehicles looks like this. The max and min marks are indicated on the side of the reservoir. The fluid level must be between these two marks. If topping off is necessary, wipe away any dirt from the area around the filler cap with a clean cloth and then unscrew or unclip the cap. If the fluid in the reservoir is obviously dark or dirty, it should be changed. If not, carefully add fluid, being careful not to spill it as it can ruin your paint. Use only the specified DOT fluid from a freshly opened container. After filling to the correct level, install the cap and wipe away any spillage. Every 2 to 3 years, replace the old fluid by pumping or bleeding out via the calipers, while at the same time topping off the reservoir to keep it from running dry. You could speed things up by siphoning off as much of the old fluid as possible from the master cylinder and refilling with clean, fresh fluid. We're using blue racing fluid in this vehicle, but normally brake fluid is clear and a little bit golden colored. The fluid is bled out at the small bleeder screws like this, normally one per wheel. For drum brakes, they're normally on the brake backing plate. If you're using a brake bleeding kit, follow the instructions that came with it. Put a short hose on the bleeder and have your helper pump and then hold the brake pedal. Then loosen the bleeder and let the old fluid out. Tighten the bleeder and have them pump the pedal again. Repeat the process until the fluid coming out is clean and clear.
Release. Pump the brakes and hold. Okay. Release.
Refer to your Haynes Manual for the correct order in which to bleed each wheel and for any special points. Here are some Haynes hints. It's normal for brake fluid to fall gradually as the brake pads wear. Provided the level stays above the minimum mark, there's no need to top it up to compensate. Any sudden fall in fluid level could be due to a leak, and that should be investigated without delay. And that's all there is to it.